Pomegranate peel is a powerful natural source of antioxidants and essential nutrients that help prevent various health issues. With its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and immune-boosting properties, it supports overall well-being. Additionally, pomegranate peel is beneficial for skin health and digestion. Traditionally used in medicine, modern research has also confirmed its numerous health advantages. Nutritional content and properties of pomegranate peel. Rich in antioxidants and polyphenols. Pomegranate peel is packed with antioxidants, including ellagic acid, flavonoids, and tannins. These compounds help combat free radical damage, slowing down aging and protecting cells from oxidative stress. Polyphenols in pomegranate peel also support the immune system and reduce inflammation, benefiting skin health and overall wellness. Essential vitamins and minerals. Pomegranate peel contains essential nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Vitamin C enhances immunity and promotes collagen production for healthy skin. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure. Magnesium supports muscle and nerve function. Phosphorus plays a vital role in energy production and bone health. Additionally, pomegranate peel provides dietary fiber, improving gut health and digestion. Health benefits of pomegranate peel. Fights free radicals. The high antioxidant content in pomegranate peel helps neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and preventing premature aging and chronic diseases. Protects cells from damage. Reduces the risk of chronic illnesses. Minimizes fine lines and wrinkles, boosts the immune system. Pomegranate peel contains vitamin C and polyphenols that strengthen the immune system, making the body more resilient to infections. Protects against bacteria and viruses. Speeds up recovery from infections. Reduces inflammation and chronic disease risk. Supports digestive health. The dietary fiber in pomegranate peel aids digestion and promotes a balanced gut microbiome. Regulates bowel movements. Prevents constipation. Supports a healthy gut flora. Promotes heart health. Pomegranate peel helps regulate cholesterol levels and blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. Lowers bad cholesterol, LDL. Prevents arterial stiffness. Balances blood pressure. Enhances skin health. With its antioxidant and antimicrobial properties, pomegranate peel promotes skin renewal, protects against infections, and improves overall complexion. Shields skin from infections. Speeds up wound healing. Reduces dark spots and uneven skin tone. Protects against hearing loss. Oxidative stress increases with age, contributing to hearing loss. The antioxidants in pomegranate peel help protect against oxidative damage and may prevent age-related hearing decline. Strengthens bones. Pomegranate peel supports bone health by preventing bone loss and aiding in bone tissue regeneration. Improves oral health. With strong antibacterial properties, pomegranate peel helps fight gum disease and prevents plaque buildup, reducing the risk of cavities. Aids in rheumatoid arthritis treatment. As an autoimmune condition affecting the joints, rheumatoid arthritis causes inflammation. The antioxidants in pomegranate peel help reduce the severity of symptoms and inflammation. How to use pomegranate peel. Pomegranate peel tea. Pomegranate peel tea is an excellent way to boost immunity and aid digestion. Chop dried pomegranate peel into small pieces. Add to a cup of hot water and steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and drink warm or cold. Add honey or lemon for extra flavor. Powdered pomegranate peel and its uses. Pomegranate peel powder is a convenient way to incorporate its benefits into daily life. Mix with yogurt, smoothies, or salads for a nutritional boost. Add a teaspoon to your smoothie for extra antioxidants. Combine with yogurt for added fiber. Use in salad dressings for a unique taste. DIY pomegranate peel face mask. Pomegranate peel offers natural skincare benefits, reducing blemishes and promoting a healthy glow. Mix pomegranate peel powder with honey and a few drops of lemon juice. Apply the mixture to clean skin. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse with lukewarm water. Regular use brightens and nourishes the skin. Precautions and side effects of pomegranate peel. While pomegranate peel offers many health benefits, excessive consumption may cause side effects. Individuals prone to allergies should be cautious. Possible issues with overconsumption. Due to its high antioxidant and tannin content, overconsumption of pomegranate peel may cause digestive issues or liver strain. May lead to nausea or digestive discomfort. Can cause constipation or diarrhea. Excess consumption may affect liver function. Allergic reactions. Some people may experience allergic reactions to pomegranate peel, including skin itching or redness, mild breathing difficulties or throat irritation. Rare cases of severe allergic reactions. Frequently asked questions about pomegranate peel. What are the benefits of pomegranate peel? Pomegranate peel boosts immunity, fights free radicals, improves digestion, and enhances skin health. How to make fresh pomegranate peel tea. Boil fresh pomegranate peel in water for 5 to 10 minutes, strain and drink. Add honey or lemon for extra flavor. What are the benefits of drinking boiled pomegranate peel water? It provides antioxidants, improves digestion, and detoxifies the body. Are there any side effects of pomegranate peel? Excessive consumption may cause digestive issues, and some people may experience allergic reactions. Those on medications should consult a doctor before use. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health-related content. Let us know in the comments if you've tried pomegranate peel and how it worked for you. Stay healthy, and see you in the next video.